Welcome to new video. In today's video, we'll tell you if someone grab your collar in a street fight, then how to defend yourself. We are Tiger Ninja Warrior and we tell you how to defend yourself in a street fight. Very easy technique, so let's start. When he grab your collar, enemy, then first of all, you show him you are scared from him so that he don't attack you. And if he understand you can't do anything to him now, then you will do this technique immediately. Step number 1. You have to bring your arm under his arm like this way, as you can see in the video. You can see when I move my arm, his wrist start to twist against my shirt. Now, step number 2, bring your arm over his arm as you can see in the video like this way and grab your elbow in this position. You can see when I move my body, his wrist, his arm going to be twist and he will be fall down due to pain. Now punch on his face. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Step 1, this. Step 2, twist your body and hand here. Then move your body like this and punch. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast motion. Yeah. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.